In this Java tutorial, we will talk about static keyword. Let's learn what static keyword does by doing a few examples. I created number 1 variables in main class and number 2 variables in main method. Then I printed number 2 variable to console. I can print number 2 variable to the console. Let's test number 1 variable. I can't print number 1 variable to the console because number 1 variable is not in the main method. Number 1 is defined in class. If we want to access a variable defined in class, we must define it as static. A variable defined as static in class can be accessed from all methods in class. A variable defined as static can be changed in method. Let's do another example. I created a class to connect to database. There's a constructor in class. Database name field is assigned to Oracle value. There's a method called connect to database. In main method, I printed database name field to console. Then I called connect to database method. I will change the example a little. We were creating a field for the object in memory using the new keyword. I am converting the new keyword to a command line. Can we access the fields and methods in the class directly without using the new keyword? As you can see, we can't do this right now. However, we can do this by using the static keyword. First, I defined the database name field as static. When I do this, a memory field will be automatically defined for the database name field in the class. This memory field will not be freed until the application is completed. In this way, I can access the database name field without creating an object with new in the main method. But I still can't access the connect to database method. In order to access the method, I need to set it as static. Now I can access the method. The application worked, but as you can see, the constructor in the class didn't work. When you want to run constructor, you can use the static keyword again. This definition will work like a constructor. The static constructor was called. You can define more than one static constructor. Code into static constructors. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.